Welcome to ShortView Trading. This is your 1 minute market hit for Thursday the 21st of November. What matters for traders today? Following on from those high risk appetite readings and greediness we were talking about a week or two ago, we've seen equity markets weaken again overnight, having hit intraday highs back on Tuesday. So a couple of down days giving back a lot of that excessive appetite for risk. You've seen it with the S&P, the Nasdaq, the Philly stocks and so on. So key question now is, where do we go from here? How much more weakness is there? And when is it time to jump back in on the long side? And really the way to think about that is our short-term models. And a number of them have really started to move. Risk appetite models are much closer to buy. The put to call ratio you see in front of you is moving towards buy. And a bunch of them are starting to generate quite sort of encouraging signals for moving on to the long side, but it's not across the board. A number of models aren't there yet. There's still complacency in markets, and there's still some concern about credit spreads continuing to widen. So at the moment, we're sitting on the sidelines. The full analysis of that is laid out in today's Daily Rag, available to subscribers and on the website. Please do take a look. So what are we watching today? Well, clearly, as always, we're watching price action closely. In particular, I'm interested in the fact that on a short-term basis, cyclicals are now oversold relative to defensive sectors in the States. That you can see that in the chart in front of you now. Of course, bond yields moving lower has been behind that sort of relative shift between those sectors. So we're watching that. We're watching credit spreads closely. In terms of US macro, plenty of it, sort of quite important. Conference board leading indicators, some more housing data with existing home sales, and the Philly Fed as well. Those are all quite key. And then over and above that, ECB minutes will be watched quite closely today, and also a couple of Fed speakers, Kashkari and the like. So mid-range, not the most important, but interesting nonetheless. So that's it from us. Thank you for listening. That's your 1 minute market hit for Thursday the 21st of November. Please do subscribe on YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook or Twitter. Thank you very much.